guys! Hi guys! Today we are going to open the Angry Birds movie toy. It's Leonard, I think. Yeah. So let's open it. Do you want to open it or do I open it, Jacob? Jacob, no, don't be gross. Want me to open it? I'll open it. And you take the toy out. Take the toy out. So we have a brick. Show them the brick. A brick that looks like a bone. Look at that pig. And we have a launcher with an egg on it. Look at that pig. Paper to show us how it works. A card with a fat pig on it. Get it out. Need some help? Seriously. I'll help you. I will help you. Ah! Oh my gosh. Hit the camera. So it's a Jacob move. Oh, it's a cube. Okay, move. And this is the fat pig. It's a fat pig. Okay. And this, I don't know what it is. I think it's an egg. Okay, let's get started. Let's build it. Let's build this thing. Not yet. Yeah. Okay, you got it already? Yeah. So now, so we make a tower. So we have to make a tower and put this brick on top and the egg. Yeah, the egg. So now, wait, I messed up. No, not yet. Not yet. No. Let's show it like that. And then shoot. Ready? Set, go. Oh! Miss. My turn. You missed. Okay, do we get to aim? Okay, that pig. Yes! And the fat pig fell off the table. The table. Right. So, that was a pretty fun toy, right? Yeah, this toy is fun. Okay guys, I think it's time for us to go. Bye! And make sure to subscribe. Bye! Say bye. Bye!